Hi everyone, can you find the value of x plus 1? I want you to pause this video and attempt the question and tell me in the comment section which rule you use to find the value of x and y. Solution. In the question, it is given to us that line AD is equal to line AE. AD is equal to AE. So we can say that triangle ADE is an isosceles triangle, and base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal to each other. So we can say this angle is A. Let us label it A. This also is A. So angle ADE equal to angle AED equal to A. Now let us find angle ADB. You will agree with me that angle ADB plus angle A are angle on a straight line, and the sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. So angle ADB equal to 180 degree minus A. Also, let us find angle AEC. Angle AEC plus this, they are angle on a straight line, and the algebraic sum must be equal to 180 degree. A equal to 180 degree. So angle AEC equal to 180 degree minus A. You will see that angle ADB and angle AEC, they are equal to each other. So we can say angle ADB equal to angle AEC. So this angle and this angle are equal to each other. In the question, it is given to us that angle BAD is equal to angle CAE. It is given. Also, line AD is equal to line AE. It is given in the question. We have shown that angle ADB equal to angle AEC. Proved. Now, using angle side angle congruence rule, we can say that triangle ADB is congruent to triangle AEC, and corresponding sides of congruent triangle are equal. I can say AB is equal to AC, and our AB is 3x plus 1. So 3x plus 1 equal to our AC 34. Let us subtract 1 from both sides. 3x plus 1 minus 1 equal to 34 minus 1. 3x equal to 33. Divide both sides by 3 by 3. X equal to 11. I have said earlier that corresponding sides of congruent triangle are equal. So I can also say this side EC is equal to DB. EC equal to DB. So let us substitute their value. Y plus 1 equal to 9. So subtract 1 from both sides. Y plus 1 minus 1 equal to 9 minus 1. So y equal to 8. And the questions ask us to find the value of x plus y. X plus y will be equal to, our x is 11. 11 plus our y is 8. 8, which is equal to 19. So the required answer is 19. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.